Hey everyone, I'm Mamta Motiani from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a stitch which is called Front Post Double Crochet. For this purpose I am using a size 4 worsted weight yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook, crochet hook. So let's begin. To begin with, I'll begin with 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, it doesn't matter how many chains you begin with. I'm just showing you the tutorial for how a front post double crochet can be done. Okay, so to the first row will be just DC double crochet. For that I'll skip 3 chains in the beginning, okay, and then double crochet in each chain till the end. Okay, here we go, and then I will come till the end. Okay, I'll come till this end, I'll finish it, and for the next row I'll show you the front post double crochet. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, so I'm at the end of this row, and I'm going to finish this row with just 2 more stitches. Okay, this is just the foundation chain. I use this extra chain for a knot, to secure the end nicely. Okay, now for front post double crochet, what I'll do is I'll turn. I'll start with, I'll begin with 3 chains. So for any double crochet or front post double crochet, you the beginning stitches will be, the beginning chains will be 3 chains, so that will be the increase to bring it to that length, and then this will be skipped because we did the chain 3. Now what you'll do is you'll do a yarn over and you'll insert your hook across this post, this next post, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, and you just finished the first front post double crochet. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert hook across next post, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. Okay, let's do a couple of more stitches. This is how you'll do it. You won't do the stitch in the top post, the top 2 loops. Instead you'll do this stitch across this post, the post of the double crochet. So let's do it a few more times. So you get this nice bumpy stitch which looks like this, and on the back it will look like this. a nice textured stitch. So this is how you complete a front post double crochet. Mostly this stitch is used in for edging of the hats as well as for sweaters, or where you need a little bit of texture and little bit of stretch, because what the stitch does is it gives a little bit of stretch to any fabric. So you use it at the edgings. Sometimes the stitch is also used in the center of a piece. That depends upon which pattern it is. So it doesn't matter which pattern it is used for. It just looks good, I just love the texture of the stitch. So I'm going to show you the back post double crochet as well, and let me just finish this one, and then we'll come to the back post double crochet in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this learning this stitch with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.